that the journey as a from ASP to the DG,
Yes, sir.
it was a journey meant to make you eligible candidate for what we are doing now. Now we are not talking of the crime-free Bharat.
Sir.
We are not talking of the corruption-free Bharat. Now
Sir.
we are talking Acha Bharat, transformed Bharat. Now we are talking Bharat with fundamental right of employment
Sir.
and employment of your potential.
Good, sir.
Now we are talking of the fundamental right of education, and this fundamental right to education is not the education of the Lord Macaulay. It is the education for realization of your potential.
Sir.
Similarly, fundamental right to food is not limited to the food grain alone.
Good,
It
sir.
includes vegetable, it includes fruits, it includes milk, curd,
Sir.
ghee, and life longing medicines, तो जीवन वर्धक औषधियाँ और औषधि युक्त शहद, these all things are included as a fundamental right to food. Then it is talking of the fundamental right to health, which includes a dedicated health volunteer, which includes annual medical checkup of all 144 crore people.
Sir.
It includes all pathies. They will be at the service of the humanity in integrated format.
Right, sir.
आपको you need not to run around the doctor for the appointment. Doctor as a panel from all pathies, they will come in a video conference to brief you and your family members.
Sir.
So it is talking of the fundamental right to the happiness and prosperity. It is talking of the transformed accountable administrative system. It is talking about transformed police system.
Sir.
It is talking about the transformed judicial system. You need not to run from pillar to post for the court trial.
Right, sir.
So the court trial will be happening through the distributed video-based trial right from your home, and there is a guarantee and certainty to get justice within 30 days. Could you get it?
हाँ जी सर.
क्या ये समझ पा रहे हैं आप?
हाँ जी सर.
चलिए तो आओ मिलकर ऐसे भारत को पैदा करें. जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम, जय गुरु.
जय भारत, वंदे भारत सर.